These are the Reckless Motorcycles Harley Heritage Softail bike-specific luggage, made specifically for Harley Heritage Softail models. Available at accessoryinternational.com. Now these are the Reckless Motorcycles Harley Heritage Softail luggage. They include the required mounting kit and hardware, so you can get them attached directly onto your Harley Heritage models. They are quick detachable, so they'll have a real convenient mechanism to quickly take them on and off if you ever desire to take those bags off of the bike. They come carpet lined on the inside. They've got a nice bright reflector on the outside here on this latch. There is keys and locks also included so that you can get your stuff secured on the inside of the bag. And now that we've spoken a little bit about them, we'll open these up so that you can take a look on the interior. As we open the bags here, first thing you'll see is this carpet liner. The carpet liner is pre-molded to the shape of the hard bag, so it is designed specifically for this bag. You see, you can remove it, so if you do decide to paint the bags or you do need to take these out for some reason, you are easily able to do that. The carpet liner does come with pre-drilled holes, pre-cut holes I should say, on the inside so that you can get them mounted with the hardware that comes already in the bag. So putting this back in the bag, you see here on the inside we do have this this key. This key will be used to lock the bags here from the side. So if you do need to secure your stuff, you can easily do that with your keys. You do have a good amount of storage space on the inside of the bag. You can easily store laptops, bags, anything that you may be taking on a long trip or a short commute as well. Now closing these bags back up. You see the outside is constructed from a nice, durable, and good-looking ABS plastic construction. It is very lightweight, so it doesn't weigh your bike down too much, but it still gives the durability of a strong construction, so they will last you pretty much just as long as your motorcycle does. Here on the surface, we also have a nice glossy gel-coated black finish. It does match up nicely with most vivid black paints on Harleys, so we'll give you a nice good finish on a black motorcycle. And again, here on the hardware as well, the hardware is included in a black finish. This will mount directly onto your existing mounting points on the frame of your Harley Heritage, so it makes for a real quick and easy installation. Now guys, if you have any questions for us regarding these bags or any of our other products listed on our website, be sure to give us a call at 786-242-5400. My name is Alex here at Accessories International, and thank you so much for tuning in today.